dedicate this song to little Junior Parker, a cousin of mine that's gone on, but we'd like to kind of carry on in his name.